Okay, let's quickly see if you remember the 9 times table. Can you tell me what is 9 3 times?
9 3 times is 27.
9 6 times?
54.
Okay. 9 9 times?
9 9 times is 81.
Okay. 9 8 times?
9 8 times 22.
Very good. Let's give you a thumbs up. Now we are going to find the answers to some division facts. It's again a review. You know how to do this. So you need to answer some division sentences. Okay. I'm writing some sentences here. What would be 72 divided by 9?
72 divided by 9, 8.
Very good. What would be 64 divided by 8?
8.
Yes. Okay. What would be 27 divided by 3?
I think so 27 divided by 3.
9. Yes. Okay. Were we writing this a little differently? Let's say you have the same question. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. Can we write it in a short division form? Do you remember how do we do
Yes,
that? Yes, we make a little
7.
house kind of, right? Like this you make. Okay, then you write the total amount that you are going to divide inside, right? And what is the name of this number? What do we name it as?
27.
Name. What do we call it? We give names to these numbers in a sentence, no? This is called
I think
dividend.
so.
Dividend.
Dividend.
Yes.
And then
Yes, so
divisor
dividend
is
is
this side.
very good. This is the divisor. Yes. And the answer that we write at the top is called the quotient. Right? So the answer 9 we write at the top. Yeah. What does this mean? This means you have 27 things and you need to make groups of threes. How many groups of threes can you make? I'm drawing the picture again just to make sure that you revise the concept and then we'll do a little further. So let's draw 27 quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I will repeat 9 3 times. So I will make another row of 9. I hope you can see, Devansh. I have drawn 27. Now it says you need to divide by 3. That means we need to make groups of threes. How many groups of threes can we make? We can easily see we can make 9 groups of threes. Okay. So did I use all the 27 things to make groups of threes? Yes. So I will write here again that out of 27, I used all the 27.
27. Then
Nothing is
minus
left.
0.
Okay. I grouped everything. Nothing is left. Why is this step necessary? Because at times I might not give you 27. I might give you 28. That is another circle. Can you see another circle? So let's change the question
Yes.
to 28. This time you have 28. So you have used only 27 this time to make groups of threes and one remains. That means one is your remainder. You could not divide that.
Yes.
Yes. And 9 is still the quotient because you were able to make 9 groups of threes using the 27 group. Okay. Right, like this. I have 6 groups of 2s, which equals 12, plus one more, that is the remainder, and that gives us 13. Okay, so what did we do? We say, I'll write it again. We say we have 6 groups of 2s. Yes, that gives us 12. Plus, I have one more remainder. That makes how much? 30. So we are multiplying these two numbers and then we add the remainder to that number, to that product. Okay, this is how we undo the division to get back the 30. All right, Devansh. Is there anything else you want to ask?
No.
Okay. We are going to do a little more of short division in the upcoming session. Quickly tell me the names of few 3D shapes.
Cylinder, cuboid,
Okay. Okay.
and then cone.
Okay. Okay. You've played this before, isn't it, Devansh?
Yeah.
Yes, you have. We have to take all the three counselors on the other side of the river. But the boat can carry only 150 kgs.
So
So the 120
use
kg.
70 kg and 65 kg and let 120 kg there. Make the boat back.
Okay. We also need someone to drive the boat back.
So 65 will come along, drive the boat,
Okay.
and then
Okay.
120 will come along with, and then
With?
65,
Should I send 120 alone or should I send 65 and 120 together?
120 alone,
Okay.
and then 70 kg to the rescue,
Okay.
and then with 70 kg, 65 kg, then they
Great.
go.
Well done. Okay, one more level. This time, along with the big ones are called counselors. We have some campers. Campers are the little ones. The rule is the little ones can go together, but the big ones need to go alone, all by themselves. Okay. But we do need someone to drive the boat back always. So, how are we going to take everyone on the other side?
We'll take first the big one,
But
then
if I take the
he'll
big one,
drive,
it's going to return because we need someone to drive the boat back.
and then he'll go back with the little ones. The other person will go. Two other.
That's not the rule. It says the little ones can go together, but the big one has to go alone, one at a time.
So they go together, and then the first little one will drive alone, and then the little one will take the big one.
Big one can go alone, Devansh. It cannot sit with the little one.
So the one big one will go. The other small one will drive the boat again, and then the big one will go.
Big one will come back again to drive because it
Yeah.
has to
So
drive the
the
boat.
two littlies will go. And the boat will drive itself, like they'll do
Okay.
like this, and then the boat will like go like that.
We have to send one back, right? Little one. Then
The biggie will go. Send the littly. Send both the littlies now.
well done. Okay, Devansh, that's it for today. We learned short divisions. We'll continue learning more of it. Please keep revising the times table. Is there anything you want
Okay,
to
miss.
ask?
No, miss.
Okay, I'll see you next session. Bye bye.
Bye.